Meet the bald eagle. It's a large, powerful sea eagle, and is found in North America. It weighs up to 14 pounds and stands 2 to 3 feet tall. Bald eagles' wings can span up to 8 feet across. They also have bright, hooked yellow beaks and yellow eyes. An eyesight of an eagle is 5 times sharper than humans, which allows them to spot rabbits from about 3 miles away. They can also fly 40 miles per hour and can dive up to 100 miles per hour when pursuing a prey. Their diet primarily are fishes and small mammals. Bald eagles mate for life, and they can live up to 40 to 50 years, especially when they are in captivity. But in all, they didn't make themselves. There's a God up there whose hands made them all. Thanks for watching, and please follow for more.